Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a one product selector for your GoHighLevel checkout page. Okay, so let's say for example you have multiple product on your GHL checkout page, okay, and you want your customers to allow to select one product. By default, GoHighLevel have the multiple selectors so that your customer can select multiple product. Okay, so sometimes it's not required. Okay, so that is why we make a new code snippets, okay, that will actually allow you to select one product at a time. Okay, so let me show you the demonstration. Okay, so in this page we have three different products. Okay, so if we want to select one, you can see the previous one get unselected. Okay, so if I switch another one, it's also update the order summary properly like this, you can see. And also this snippets also works with two-step order form. Okay, so let me show you the demonstration for two-step also. John. Okay, so I just added some dummy information and the checkout form opened. Okay, so if I switch, you can see it's working just fine for both one step and two-step order form. Okay, so let me show you step by step how we can implement this into our GoHighLevel. Okay, so first of all here, okay, so I'm going to take a page, let's say one step checkout page. Okay, so I just named it like this. Okay, and then let me create the page and add some product. Okay, so let's say I'm going to add some product. Let's say for this example, GHL Code Snippets lifetime deal. Okay, this is the first product, and then I will also add the monthly version of this. Okay, so here is the monthly version. Okay, here and make it monthly. Okay, so now the setup is fine. Let me go back to the page builder. Okay, here I am in the page builder. Let me get a column, and then inside that I will take the order form. Okay, order form. Okay, let's say we are going to test one step order form. Okay, let me make the order form simple, like we don't want to show the company name, also the phone number. I'm going to hide it, but you can keep it. Okay, so but for simplicity I'm going to do it like this. Okay, and then what you need to do, just go back to GHL Code Snippets library. Okay, here I'm here into the library, and you will find two different code snippets. Okay, for this you can see here the GHL single product selector for one step checkout form, and for another one is the same snippets, but this is optimized for two-step order form. Okay, so if you need one step order form checkout, okay, for the single product selector, then use this snippet, or if you need a two-step order form, then you need to use this snippet. Okay, but if you don't see like me here at the first place, then all you just need to just search this. Okay, once you search it here, it will populate like this. Okay, so let me open the get code snippet. Just click this button, get code, and then all you just need to select your domain. Okay, so you need to make sure that the domain where your page is published, okay, here you can see this domain need to be selected from here. So if you don't have added any domain yet, so all you just need to go to the domain page here and then add your domain and come back to the snippets, and you will see your domain here. Okay, so let me select the domain here. You can see the code generated. All I just need to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it here. Okay, let me, so I'm going to use this element, the custom HTML and JavaScript, and then I will put my code here, save and publish. Okay, once the page published, okay, it will go live. Okay, so let me do this. Yeah, here is the page. You can see, and the page loaded. There are two products. If I select the second one, then you can see the first one get unselected. Okay, so if I switch back to the previous one, it's working just fine. Okay, so this way you can make a single product selector on your GoHighLevel page. And okay, so one more thing, why we are making these snippets. Okay, so let me show you the real life example. Okay, so you can see here, this is the click funnel page. Okay, and they have the same functionalities into their checkout page. Okay, so if you select the 12 months plan, then the order summary also update and you can purchase the 12-month plan. But if you go switch to the 6-month plan, then you can see the first one get unselected like ours, and the second one selected. Okay, so this is actually the use case. Okay, so if you have a different product and if you want to select one of them for your customers, then you can use these snippets. Okay, so hope this was helpful, and if you find this helpful, then don't forget to share this video with your friends who need this, and also subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.